How do you spot a market crash as it happens? It's not AI, it's just a z-score. I'll show you how to build a Python WebSocket bot that detects live Forex anomalies. First, the math, we use a z-score which measures deviation from the average. 0 is noise, but +3 is a statistical anomaly, a rare event. Let me give you another example to calculate z-score. Imagine a class took a difficult math exam. The class average mean was 80. The standard deviation was 5. You scored a 90. What will be the z-score? First, find the gap. My score subtract mean. Next, divide it by 5. So my z-score is 2. Now you understand the z-score, let's code. First, we import libraries. We need Pandas and NumPy for the math, WebSocket to connect to the live feed, and CSV to log our findings. We first request the minute historical data from REST API and create a hour column for the later processing. Since volatility fluctuates, we categorize each timestamp by its active trading session, Asia, London, or New York. Our alert threshold is the 99th percentile of these moves. Next, we define a rolling window of 30 ticks to judge the current market context. We also create a CSV file to act as our black box, recording every spike we detect. Now the engine. Get current session checks the clock to define our active trading session. Then detect anomaly calculates the spike's z-score against the last 30 ticks. If that score crosses the threshold, it returns true, flagging the anomaly. We plug this into our live feed. The onMessage function runs on every new tick. It updates the buffer, runs the detection logic, and if it finds a spike, it logs it to the console and our CSV file instantly. Finally, we connect. We authenticate with the API and start the stream. The script now runs forever hunting for outliers. That's how you catch market anomalies with Python if you don't have an API key. Head over to TraderMade.com and request a trial. By signing up, you can get a data trial of the API. This gives you full access to real time so you can integrate under real market conditions. Once you have the API and WebSocket key updated in the code, run the main py file. And voila, you have successfully created yourself an anomaly detection bot.
To watch more tutorials like this, subscribe our YouTube channel.